In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete conversion balance in Xero. Before we jump in, a quick refresher. Conversion balances are the opening balances you entered when you first moved your accounts into Xero. They set the starting point for each general ledger account as at your conversion date. If something was entered incorrectly, deleting a conversion balance helps you reset that starting figure so your reports line up with reality. Because these values affect historical reporting, consider taking a quick screenshot or export before you make changes, and make sure you have the right user permissions to edit settings. Once you're signed into Xero, head to the main navigation bar and open the accounting menu. This is where you'll find the tools that control your financial settings and core bookkeeping features. From there, go to Accounting Settings. This area contains all the foundational configuration for your organization, including your chart of accounts, and importantly for today, your conversion balances. Next, look for conversion balances and open that section. You'll see a list of accounts that had opening amounts as at your conversion date. Think of this page as the staging area for your opening figures, the numbers that tell Xero where each account started when you came on board. Find the account whose conversion balance you want to remove. Click into the amount field and clear the value so the field is empty. Take a second to confirm you're editing the correct account and the correct side, debit or credit, because removing the wrong figure can shift your retained earnings or other balances in ways you might not expect. If your organization uses multiple currencies, make sure you're looking at the right currency line for that account. When you're ready, save your changes. Click Save at the bottom of the page to apply the update. After saving, the field you cleared should remain blank, indicating the conversion balance has been deleted. If you receive a message about locked dates or restricted access, you may need an accountant or an advisor user to adjust lock dates or grant the necessary permissions before you can proceed. A quick best practice after saving is to mentally note the affected account and keep an eye on how it flows through your trial balance and historical reports. Deleting a conversion balance adjusts your opening position, which can ripple through comparative figures. That's it. You've removed a conversion balance in Xero by navigating to Accounting, opening Accounting Settings, going into Conversion Balances, clearing the value you no longer need, and saving your changes. Thanks for watching. And keep your opening figures tidy for accurate, trustworthy reporting.